So yun guys, nandito na daw sila. So inaantay lang nila tayo dito sa gas station dahil as usual, na-late tayo kasi may ginawa lang tayong podcast. Yun nga, panoorin nyo yun, di ba? Yung episode 2 natin. So nandito na yung mga ilang kasama nating athletes from the team. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala, isa-isa natin silang ipakilala mamaya. Madalas nyo silang makikita sa mga next coming vlogs kasi sila yung kasama natin this season. Boss, saan papunta pag papasok dito? Saan papunta? Papasok dito? What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So day 1 namin ngayon dito sa Baguio. So first things first, punta sa gym dahil leg day ngayon. So Anytime Fitness kami pupunta ngayon. Gusto ko ng mas maayos yung gamit para hindi sayang yung workout natin ngayong araw na to. So kahit nasa bakasyon tayo, sa bagay, trabaho pa rin naman siya. So day 1 namin ngayon sa Baguio. Mag-grocery na rin mamaya. Dahil naka-prep lahat ng mga kasama ko, at the same time nakapag-commit tayo na mag-mini-cut tayo. Kaya gagawin talaga natin to. Agad ka. So ito yung first exercise namin, hip thrust. Babalik ka na ng plato. Ha? Pinakamahirap na exercise. Kaya di ginagawa ng iba, no? Kasi mahirap eh. Pero dapat ibalik niyo yan.
Kaya madaming basak na ko.
Sila yung nagbabalik, no? So ngayon, second exercise namin which is leg curls. 4 sets. Ito talaga yung savior natin, boss. Ayan o, baka naman.
Guys, tignan nyo. 22 grams protein yan.
Boss, wala ng toast to pre-workout na rektahan na to, boss. Oh, dalawang tinapay. Upakang mo lang yan. Ano? Gaganyanin mo yan. Ano? Ano? Ito yung macros. Last training day namin ngayon dito sa Baguio and yun, kasama ulit natin si Ortiz. Doon naman tayo mag-workout ngayon sa gym nila which is yung napuntahan na namin before, yung fitness zone. So wala kasing twist-supported upper back yung Anytime Fitness dito kaya sasadya kami ng ibang gym para masulit yung workout namin ngayon. So ayaw namin maghahanap kami ng alternative movement na masasayang, I mean hindi sulit yung sessions namin. Kaya yun, samahan nyo kami and then after this workout, punta tayo sa community ng calisthenics dito and bigyan lang natin sila ng konting kasiyahan. Enjoy natin tong Baguio temperature na to. Subukan lang natin. Pasok sa macros ko to, so share ko sa inyo. Ito yung macros ko ngayon. Ito yung mga napasok ko na ngayon. So kapon kasi nag-workout kami, nag-leg day kami, 1 meal pa lang ako. So ngayon pre-row. I'm sure alam nyo lahat to. 164 calories lang pero napakasarap. Kabataan days, alam nyo to. Patuwaan lang guys. Mabait yan, Ortiz, mabait yan. Tayo lang natin sinadyoke dahil nag-park lang. Dito na tayo sa may gym nila. Yun no, wala masyadong tao. Hello po.
Walk-in po.
So Ortiz nag-ensayo no.
Andiyan na?
Oh, yun no. Hey! Hey! Ensayo ka na pala. Ang workout mo? Hey! Yun no, payapa. Isa sa mga bagay na hindi nila binibigyan ng halaga. Ito mga straps, lalo na kung may mga movements kayo na mga pull movements, para mas ma-maximize nyo lalo yung movements or yung exercise, mas maganda may straps kayo. Kasi mas nauunang mag-give up minsan yung forearm natin pag wala tayong mga straps. Less effort ka na sa pag-grip, more focus ka na lang sa pulling motion. Shout out to, let's go. 2 scoop kasi nito guys. Yan ah. Meron siyang 5 grams na protein per scoop. So magto 2 scoop tayo ngayon. And then 23 calories per scoop. Si Atlin. Sour straps. Let's go! Ngayon ako nag 2 scoop. Usually kasi 1 scoop lang ako. Nakita niyo sa mga store at saka vlogs before. 1 scoop lang talaga. Pero dahil 4 days tayong nag-rest, hindi tayo nakapag-workout ng upper kasi nga nag-rest day tayo. Tapos kahapon leg day. Hindi yun hindi ako nag-workout. Kumbaga rest day ko talaga siya. Last training day of the day. Kala ko ba matibay ka, Pons? So, surrender ka rin pala kay bossing eh. Angas na ito, boss, oh. Angas! Let's go! So what's up guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Athletic Bowl. Puntahan natin yung yung community nila ng calisthenics. Pa-games tayo and mamigay tayo ng mga goodies. Papakitaan tayo ni Ortiz ng mga freestyle niya, boss.
Pag nakita nyo, gagawin nyo din na.
Di na nga!
Kasi tayo normal people.
Normal.
Normal ka. Boss, normal ka ba?
Swimmers.
Normal ka?
Oo.
Normal ka. Boss, last time ko nakapunta sa ganito nung high school pa ako. Oo.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it.
Hey, solid! Boss, anong pangalan mo? Lito po. Lito. Kuy pala, boss. Sample naman.
Placement, decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Guys, gusto lang namin mag-share ng something sa inyo. And syempre, gusto din namin na may konting challenge para sa inyo. Kasi balita ko, sabi ni Ortiz, malalakas daw lahat ng mga nandito. Yun. Ano lang guys, basic lang to. Longest dead hang. Yung last 2 na magde-dead hang, mananalo ng supplement at saka t-shirt from JP Clothing. G?
Okay! Kasi dadang lang tayo.
Oh,
Parang pwedeng 4 dito yung maliliit.
kasya no? Kasya.
Siya. Find your place. Okay, ganito.
Para harapan talaga.
Okay, ganito.
Hindi. Ito, tingnan mo.
Kasi medyo, syempre, may lakad din sila mamaya. Nag-rush sila. pabilisan tayo, hindi lang dead hang. Hold na ganito. Okay?
Yan, pucha.
Natin. Ipatong niyo yung ulo niyo dito. Once na ganun, wala na. Okay? Dikit nyo na lang yun.
Oh.
Kung may magnet kayo, okay?
G. Up.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide if they don't the generation.
Okay, down. Dalawa, okay, nice one. Hey.
Alright.
Oh. Boss.
Thank you po.
Congrats ah. Congrats boss. Congrats.
Squad, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah.
Kailangan natin
Teamwork dito ah.
3 members.
Per team. Sprint lang.
Dito.
Diyan lang oh. Pabilisan lang to.
Bye-bye. Alis.
Oh, yun. Sige. Oh, tatap nila to.
Squad, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it.
What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm
May
a
isang
bit nervous
challenger. Ito
that I
si
might
Lester.
screw.
One-man team daw. Gagawin yung tatlong challenge. Game. Hey. Game.
3, 2, 1,
Go!
And this is my game to play, to claim a
Let's go,
brand
let's
new
go.
name, oh.
let's go.
And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a
go,
bit
let's go.
nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun?
Go!
I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whoever makes me happy know I'm doing things right.
But what you
7,
gonna do for it? How you gonna
9,
move for it? What you gonna
10,
be?
8,
Do you
7,
believe we can do anything? What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Let's go, pull up! Ang ina, lakas, let's go! Go! Go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8! Gago ka! Puta ina, one man team boss! Let's go! Siya lang mag-isa nag-ano doon. Bro! Sa lahat to, bro. Hey, lakas. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Lester.
Mo doon?
9. Hey, mama. Congrats, bro, ah. Lakas.
Congrats.
Gusto lang namin kayong bigyan ng konting kasiyahan ng community nyo. Kaya, lalo na nandito si Ortiz. Kaya, yun, thank you sa inyo lahat,
Sa
ah.
mga di nakakilala sa kanya, actually, isa siya sa OG din ng calisthenics dito sa Pinas. Ako si Josiah Pauli.
Ah.
So, ayan.
Sa Manila naman kami before.
Manila.
So nakakasama namin sila before pag nagkaka-competition dun sa Sparta, Philippines. So sila yung mga dumadayo dun.
First na-meet ko sa kanya dati sa 2016 na rin ang Baras. Nag-third place tayo dun.
Oh, malakas to si Ortiz eh.
Malakas din to.
Guys, thank you ah. Thank you sa inyo.
Thank you.
Tara bro. Nice one. Bro, lakas tangin.
Rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving.
Hindi naman uuwi tayo ng basta-basta lang. Hanap tayo ng mga pwedeng i-incorporate sa diet natin. Hey! Ayoko yan.
Ito,
Mas maganda yung kamote dun.
daan.
Oo.
Anong gulay pinapabili ni Mama?
Broccoli. Sa lubong trip.
Merong macros yung choco flake. Sige,
Kumuha ko, boss. Siyempre, di makawala sa atin yan. Lolokohin lang natin yung sarili natin na kunyari volume mo kinakain.
dalawa, ayun, ganun, malaki yung binili ko. Okay na yun? O, dagdagan mo pa.
Dagdagan mo pa sila, mama. Lolokohin mo lang yung sarili mo. Pero hindi ka naggugulay, di ba? volume, pero yung katotohanan. Nagugutom ka pa. Ano pong pinagkaiba nito?
Green, ito green.
Hindi.
Kulay lang?
Kulay lang, pero matamis pareha. Mas masarap ang red.
Dito matamis.
Ito sir, try mo. Masarap lang.
Sige, ate, tikman ko.
Mas crunchy.
Tig 1 kilo, sige.
Sige.
Good for 2 meals na to. Mag-uuwi na ako mamaya na pang Sharon. Bye-bye. Chat na lang ah. Baka next week nasa Manila kami. Baka next week. And guys, dito na namin tatapusin tong vlog na to and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ensayo sa Baguio ng JP Fitness and shoutout kay Ortiz dahil sinamahan niya kami sa mga trainings namin habang nandun kami sa Baguio. And yun, guys, comment down below kung sa tingin nyo.
Saan kami pwede magpunta ulit?
Don't forget to like, comment, and share and see you in the next one.
Placement, decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.